Hey babes, how are you guys doing today? Today I'm going to kick off my YouTube channel with a small, quick demo. I'm going to be using the Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3. It repairs and strengthens all hair types and it builds bonds. So this is not a conditioner, this is not a protein treatment, it's a bond builder. I'm going to be starting out with a bottle of water, nothing else, and clean, damp hair. So I'm just going to moisturize my hair a little bit just to make it damp so that the product can lather onto my hair with easiness. Once I get that all throughout my hair, I'm just going to section off my hair in 4 parts. It's already pre-sectioned and twisted, so I'm going to start with this side. First, I'm going to use a wide tooth comb, detangle my hair, and then I'm going to take the Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3 and I'm going to lather that onto my hair. I'll be working from the root to the tip, so I'm just going to make sure that my hair is completely lathered and every strand is, lathered into this product. As you can see, the product consistency is thick but not too thick, so it really goes on very smoothly. After I lather this onto my hair, I'm just going to detangle it and then I'm going to put it up and I'm going to work on all of the other sections. While you're here, I'll just tell you a little bit about the brand. So Olaplex has about 5 products and they're all numbered 1 through 5. I got Olaplex number 3, which is the Hair Perfector, which is supposed to build the bonds of your hair. They also recommend using the 3, 4, 5 repair system that consists of the perfector, the conditioner, and the shampoo. The shampoo being number 4 and then the conditioner being number 5. Now these are all ranging from $30 and upwards, so they're pretty expensive, but they are a professional brand. I came across this product searching for something to repair my color treated hair, and I just stumbled on some YouTubers and Instagrammers using this along with their color treatment to kind of protect the hair, and after some research, I just decided to bite the bullet and spend the money on just one product. Letting this product stay on my hair for a lot longer than 10 minutes, only because I know that my hair is a little bit more damaged than I would like, and so I wanted to really repair the bonds of my hair and get it to a point where I was really comfortable with it. As you can see, my hair looks a lot healthier than it did when I first started the video. My curls are popping. And I really loved the way that my hair turned out after this. The only thing that I did not like about this product is the price for the amount of fluid ounces that I received for this product. If I'm not mistaken, this was $28 for 3.3 fluid ounces. 3.3 fluid ounces did go a long way. I was able to use a little bit more than half of the product for my entire head and really get my hair saturated with the product, but I don't know if I'd actually be purchasing this product again. I think it's way too expensive. Although this is a professional product and it really did wonders for my hair, it's just a little bit too expensive. So that is the only downfall that I have for this product. I went ahead and blow dried my hair and it felt really great. I didn't have crispy, dry hair. My hair was still moisturized. As you can see, it has body, it has movement. It felt really nice. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. If you would like to see more product reviews like this, please leave a thumbs up and a comment down below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified whenever I make a video. Bye babes! Mwah.